had a dentist that I really enjoyed going to since the mid-1990s, and I was talking with him about the fact that I was having very severe headaches that were working from the back of my head up forward, and my teeth were this big. And so as I chatted with him, he asked me what I was doing to deal with this, and I had been going to some other dentists to have them evaluate, and all these people were telling me that I had to have braces for a minimum of 2 years, etc., etc. And when I went back to my guy and he asked me about that, he said, before you do anything, I would like you to go and see my person that I have met that I'm very impressed with, whose name is Dr. Rhys Spoor. And he is in downtown Seattle, and I would like you to see him. So I said, oh, okay, I'll do that. Well, when I came in to see Dr. Spoor, I was absolutely bowled over by the fact that he was able to talk to me about the headache problem and TMJ. My previous pain was getting so severe that when I would get up in the morning, the pain would start in the back of my neck and work all the way to the front of my head, and I got to the point where I wasn't able to see my clients. Couldn't concentrate on what I was trying to tell them, and I believe in giving good service, just like Dr. Spoor does, and I wasn't able to give the kind of service that I needed to give because of the pain. It would eventually make me nauseous, and you just can't carry on effectively that way. So now I don't have, I have a headache every now and again, but then life is stressful and we just take some Tylenol. However, I don't have those pains anymore. I get up in the morning and I just feel so much better than I did, and I can't say enough about the better life I'm living now, and people really seem to appreciate the smile that I'm able to give them. But that was an additional benefit for me, because for me the process was not to achieve the cosmetic end, although I love it, and I had some very nice comments made about my beautiful smile, which nobody ever said that before, so at least not since I was 20. So it was great. What he was able to do was fix the teeth so that I would have full-length teeth again, and they were situated in my mouth so that my bite was such it took away all the pain that I had from all of those headaches. I don't get the headaches anymore. Everything has just been really great, and that's basically been my wonderful experience. While I was going through the process, I was just treated so wonderfully well. Everyone always asks you how you're doing, and is this hurt or that hurt. They just take wonderful care of you here, and I love it, and I would do it over again in a minute. I probably should have started sooner than I did, but I'm really, really happy with the results. It is definitely not an inexpensive process, and you need to be ready to face the costs that are involved. I was told up front what it would cost. I was able then to prepare to make the payments. Everybody was willing to set it up in a way that would meet my needs, and I was meeting their needs, and I feel like it was worth every penny. And I often say to myself, I take better care of my teeth now than I ever did, also just because, you know, when you make an investment like that, you're a smart person to take care of it. So I do, and I feel really good, and they work really well for me, and I continue to eat lots. It's great. If I was going to talk to anybody who felt they had any kind of mouth pain, uh, lacking of confidence because of the way their teeth appeared, etc., I would recommend that they come to Dr. Spoor and not mess around with a lot of other people. I mean, I did that, and that was not something I needed to do. So I have never been so happy with the outcome of spending that amount of money.